Hi, my name is Daniel. I am the Vice President of Product Development for Xenchain. Xenchain is a digital identity platform. Currently, we support web and we also support mobile devices such as Android and iOS. For this particular case, I will be using my own passport. So with this being said, I can just click the scan button on the app, and the scanner will start scanning for the document, and it will try to read all the OCR on the document. Once it's done, the image will be shown on the app. There's a couple of things that happen during this process. So we have some image processing going on, we have machine learning, and we have OCR. So how do these three things combine together? So the image processing and the machine learning will be capturing the ID and checking for the validity of the document to make sure that it's a real document and a valid document. This is to prevent users from just taking another person's ID and using it for their own use. So this step 2 requires a selfie. The selfie cannot be simply taken by the user. The selfie has to be taken during the motion detection. So the motion detection will require the user to perform 2 randomly generated motions, and if the user can perform these motions, then selfies will be captured during this process and sent to the master nodes to verify that the person that is taking the selfies is the same person that from the photograph on the document that was scanned.
Please blink your eye.
Okay, so at this point the app is asking me to blink my eye. This is the first motion.
Blink your eye. Thank you. Now smile.
Okay, so the first motion was to blink the eye, and then the second motion was to smile. So since I'm a real person and I was scanning my document, then I was verified, my KYC was verified, and I was able to proceed with an overall score of 80.89, so around 80%. So when I continue to the next step, it will do a third-party screening. This will do AML checks, it will do PP, credit scoring, social media scoring. It will do all these things in the background, so the user will not have to do any interaction, but on our end, our validators are looking at these things and are ensuring that the user is a real person as well. So we don't just do the face match and we stop there. We do a lot of other things in the background. So after all these things are done, the user has successfully enrolled on the blockchain, so they now have a digital identity. So if I was to continue until the very end, I would be able to get an overall score, and I would be able to get a hash which belongs to me. This hash I can use for enrolling myself in ICOs or other platforms that currently support the Xenchain platform. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you all very much for watching. This is Daniel from Xenchain. If you want to know more about our product, please visit us at xenchain.io.